How to assign a target on Hybrid Pro. Welcome to this guide. Hybrid Pro is your ultimate tool for executing mass actions on Instagram. Let's dive into how to set up your targets step by step, with clear explanations and visual aids. What are targets? Targets are the specific audience you aim to engage with during mass actions. Hybrid Pro allows you to choose from a wide variety of targeting options, ensuring precise interactions and rapid audience growth. Target types. Posts by keyword. Find and interact with posts containing specific keywords. Posts by keyword. Likers. Engage with users who liked posts with specific keywords. Posts by keyword. Reels. Target reels that match your chosen keywords. Posts by keyword. Reels likers. Interact with users who liked reels containing specific keywords. People, followers. Target followers of a specific account. People, followings. Engage with users followed by a specific account. Reels feed, likers. Focus on users who liked reels appearing in your feed. People, likers. Interact with users who liked a specific post. Hashtag, target posts containing a specific hashtag. Hashtag likers. Engage with users who liked posts using a specific hashtag. Places. Interact with posts tagged at specific locations. Places likers. Target users who liked posts tagged at specific locations. Explore. Engage with trending content on Instagram's Explore page. Explore likers. Interact with users who liked trending content. Self-timeline. Engage with posts visible in your timeline. Self-timeline. Likers. Target users who liked posts in your timeline. User IDs. Directly engage with specific users by their IDs. Special AI-suggested targets. Take your targeting to the next level with AI. Use the username option to get tailored suggestions for people's followers or likers. AI will identify and recommend the most relevant targets to amplify your campaign. Adding bulk targets. Hybrid Pro also supports adding multiple targets at once. Use the following bulk input formats for efficiency. Instagram link per line. Add one profile link per line. Username per line. Add usernames without one per line. Comma separated. Usernames. Include multiple usernames in a single line, separated by commas. Keywords per line. Add one keyword per line. Comma separated keywords. List multiple keywords in one line, separated by commas. Hashtags per line. Add one hashtag per line. Comma separated hashtags. Include multiple hashtags in one line, separated by commas. How to assign a target in Hybrid Pro. Locate the Hybrid Pro icon. Find the Hybrid Pro icon in the menu, highlighted in the screenshot, and click it to open the tool. Choose your account. Select the account you want to use for mass actions. Enable targeting. On the displayed screen, locate the targeting toggle. Refer to the screenshot. Enable it to reveal the targeting options. Choose your target type. Select your preferred target type from the list. Search for targets. Use the search input field to find your specific target. For example, if you selected hashtag, enter the hashtag in the search bar and click Search. For people, followers, or people, likers, type the username or ID and search. Note: searching helps ensure your target is valid and accurate before adding it. Add target. After confirming the search results, click to add the target to your campaign. Save and go to next step, setting up mass action options. Save your settings, and Hybrid Pro target side is ready.